It's been so long. I think it's been this whole year. I really haven't posted. Last video was probably in January. And every time I want to pick up my camera, it's not there's no motivation, it's just there's no power to edit the videos. That's honestly my problem. But I recently posted like a nail. I post on TikTok because I've been doing my nails monthly, at home nails. I posted it and someone commented that, where's the hair videos? I've been wanting to like get on it, but this month has been really busy. Not this month, but the past 3 months has been busy. Today, as you can see, I'm in my scrubs. I literally came from work about probably an hour ago, and I decided to take out these, I don't even know what you call them, but they're basically half twist, and I twisted the back as well. And since my hair kind of shrinks when I do twists for twist out, I just added a few to make it a little bit longer and stay longer so it doesn't shrink up. So that's what I did. I've started taking out some of the twists because it does take a long time to take out. My hair is dry and thirsting for help, guys. My hair routine hasn't really changed. The health of my hair has changed. I think I need a cut and not a trim. I think I need like an inch off. I've been postponing that since last year. I've been trying to just trim, so I think it's the best choice to actually do a full cut at the moment. My hair, honestly, when it's wet, it's definitely easier to show, but the back of my hair can sit past my nipple. This is such a bad color, but my hair has definitely actually like hitting my chest now. It's right here. It has grown, not exponentially, but it has grown. At first I thought I plateaued, but the hair has grown. So yeah, it's hidden right there. I think an inch would do me good. The cut is not gonna make my hair grow faster, but it's gonna help with the retention, because every time I do detangle my hair on wash days, I notice little hairs that breaks at the end, and it's on my sink. Me pulling and tugging just snags most of the hair, you know, out, causes breakage basically. So I think the cut is definitely gonna help. I was holding on to it because I kind of wanted to reach a certain length before I do a cut, but at this point I'll just let it go and cut it. So that's what you guys are gonna see. I'm quite tired. It's 9 o'clock already. Okay, yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Tea, I guess. It's 9 o'clock, so I'm just gonna sit on the couch, eat my 3 boiled eggs with some kava, harissa sauce. Kava has this harissa, I don't even know if it's a sauce. It's kind of like paste-like. Harissa paste. That's like spicy, tomatoey, garlicky. So I normally put it on boiled eggs, 3 boiled eggs, have that for dinner, not dinner, have that for breakfast. I'm probably gonna show it and go to bed. So I'm gonna do that and try to remove some of the hair, wake up, continue to remove the hair, and my plan is to wash it tonight. Because I work night shift, I'm gonna be up all night. Wash it because I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm really trying to make most of my bulk work in April, because my last class, guys, my last clinical rotation for my FMP is gonna be May 4th to June 27th. So I'm really piling all the workload, you know, extra shifts and all that. I'm trying to pile all of that in April. And then in May, I'll still be working full-time, but I'll work my mandatory hours, nothing extra. And travel like an hour and a half to clinicals twice a week. It's gonna be another fighting for 2 months, but with God's help, we're gonna make it and we're gonna graduate. I'm so happy to be done with it, and yet I'm nervous to come out of the student mode. So that's the update, guys. I'm so sorry. I mean, there's more, but like there's only so much I can share with you. My lip, literally, if you see the discoloration of my lip, don't judge. Let me show you. I think it will be better in this light. And I think I used an expired lip liner and I had a reaction. I basically had little, they look like pimples. They had whiteheads, but they were not poppable. Like, they were painful. My lips were actually swollen. Like, every morning I wake up, they were swollen and the rash was on it. That took a minute to heal. Whenever my lips has no moisturizer, it feels dry. It feels like I have dry skin and I can feel my lips peeling. So since then I've had this scar, but I think it's gonna fade away as time goes on. But it's so weird to look at my face and find a black, it looks like a birthmark. Like the little pink tint I had on my lower lip is fading away, and that's actually one thing I liked about my lip. So I'm waiting for that to come through. It's 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m. in the morning, so today is gonna be Friday. Yay, bro, it's Friday. I'm telling you, the weekends come so fast, and I work weekends, so it's a little bit traumatized. But anyways, we are here. I'm whispering because everyone is sleeping. I can't be making too much noise. Apparently, we make too much noise. Not us specific. Well, I don't know if it's us specifically, but our apartment has sent out email stuff, so I can't really be yelling. But this is what the hair looks like. Guys, the sleep is in my eyes, so I'm thinking we do the pre-poo and hope for the best to be able to wash it and whatnot, because I work the next 3 days, so I have to wash. I have no other choice. Two of my nails came out while washing Theo and Stormy. Sounds like a cat fight, but it wasn't really. It kinda was. So I'm gonna give Theo a shower. I've prepped everything. I think he knows that he's about to get a shower. My boy is big now. He's like heavy duty. He knows what's gonna happen. I gave him some snacks, but he doesn't normally look at his face. He normally doesn't scratch. Look at him. He normally doesn't scratch, so I don't just trim. I used to trim his nails on his schedule. I haven't trimmed it a little bit, but before he takes his showers, he has to get some trims. Come on, let's trim your nails. It's just trimming your nails. Okay? When you trim your nails. Yes, guys, I'm very good. I don't know how they grow. Good job. This side. Here, you know, mommy don't take long. Quick shower. Get some hairs off of you. Let's see your back legs. The back legs, he doesn't like to stay still for that. Come on. Theo is a good boy. When you're done, I'll give you snacks. You like that idea? Let's see the other one. Okay. I'm sorry. One snack? One more snack? Okay. Let's go shower. 5 minutes. This might take a little bit. I don't want this to keep going. Oh my goodness. Look, everyone is watching you. They're like, who is this handsome boy? I forgot a cup. Oh my gosh. Kill me. Because Stormy is scared of the blow dryer, so when it comes close to her, whacks that. Whack. I'm like, Stormy, and she hisses at it. Oh my gosh, I should have taken a video, but she like, when she does that, I'm very anxious and angry at the same time. Like, Stormy, literally stand there and let me blow dry. Just whacking it. And when she whacks it, she's so strong, sometimes it can just slip out of my hand. And that's how I lost 2 fingers. She's not even that big. She's just a woman. She's just powerful like her mama. What can she say? Anyways, we're gonna cut the hair. I honestly have no plan. I have no layouts for this. So, like I said before, I'm gonna go with the ends and how it feels. So this is what it looks like. Let's take it in, okay? The back, I don't know what the back looks like, but that's not my problem. The front of the hair. So when I see my hair like this, I'm like, my hair is healthy. But then I know it's not. Should we start from the front? Literally, guys. And this time I'm gonna set my hair out like this and see where. I'm gonna go a little bit lower though. You guys might not see a difference, but there's definitely a difference in the ends. For sure. So this is this side, because I want it to be here. So it's right here right now. It used to be here. So I cut like a good inch off. So comparing this to this, also like an inch we cut off. See that? So we're gonna try and simulate this side onto this side. Okay, I'll be back. Ah. Guys, I'm tired. But this is this side. But whatever, it's done. This side has always been shorter, like slightly shorter than this side. I might fully wash the hair like in the morning. It's already morning, but I might fully wash it like later on in about 3 hours. We'll see, because I'm tired. Alright, bye guys. Hi guys, today is fast forward 3 days has gone by. Basically over the weekend, when did I wash my hair? I want to say I was off Thursday and that's when I washed it. I'm basically trying to style it, but since I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I thought I could do it after I came home. I work night shift, so I thought I could do it after I came home, but every single day I was tired and I just crashed out, like crashed in my bed. Today is technically my off day. I worked Sunday into Monday, so I slept. I was trying to wake up at like 1 p.m., but my body did not want to. My body was like, you still need rest. Currently, it's 4:20, so I've decided to do my hair. I'll keep this hair in probably 2 more weeks. Then I'll take it out and do my wash day. Mind you, I'm still trying to move out. Clinicals is tomorrow. It's an hour and a half away from me. So there's a bunch of things going on with the limited time I have. Sorry, I look rough, but if I don't do it now, I don't know when else I'll do it. The same day on Thursday, I want to say I'm mixing my days together, but I basically did medium twisties, whatever you want to call these, at the back. I basically did twisties, and the original idea is to do cornrows in the front and the twist at the back.
My hair is pretty dry. Like, I was thinking if I should rewash the front of my hair, but that would take, it wouldn't take long because it's all detangled, but it's an extra step I don't want to take. So this is the inspo. I want to kind of show. This is the inspo of the hair I'm going for. If it's gonna zoom in. Just the front section. I'm trying to do that. I either do flat twist or I do cornrows. I don't know what time it is. Let me see what time it is. It's 7 o'clock. So I literally took 3 hours to do this side. Guys, the cornrows, I think just making the parts also take a little bit of time. My microphone at this point of the video had died. I blabbered a lot. I think I was talking about the process of doing the hair. I put it in for about 2 weeks, and then the last week I took out the back and just had it. It looked like a half wig was on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.